Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to convert contour to DEM, the digital elevation model. So we'll be making use of the Civil 3D for the conversion so that you can have a DEM file, a raster file that you can import into your GIS packages such as your ArcGIS Pro, your global mapper and the rest of that for further analysis. So inside your Civil 3D, you make sure that your contour is generated with the Civil 3D, right? And you make sure that your settings, your coordinate system for your drawing is properly set up before you create your surface. So after you have created your surface with your Civil 3D, you have to select. In case you do not know how to create surface with Civil 3D, you can check the description of the video to see how to go about that from the beginning. So you select your contour surface. After you select, you will see all of these tools activated. Then you navigate to extract from surface, click on the drop down. Then you scroll down to export to DEM, click on that. Then you are going to see your surface name here, the description if you have any, and the drawing coordinate system. That is why I said you should have set this up. If you didn't set up your coordinate system before you start your drawing, you will not see this here. Therefore, when you confirm your drawing coordinate zone, then you navigate to DEM file name. Click on this icon here so you can navigate to where you want to save your data. So I want to save it under this folder. Then you can name it. So I can call this EGDEM. Then the files of type, you can click on the drop down. You are going to see two formats you can export as, either as USGS DEM or your GeoTIFF, your TIF. So I recommend the GeoTIFF. This is best format for GIS packages. Alright, so when you select your format of interest, automatically you see the extension attached to it. Then you click on save. So you have defined your export directory. Then you can see the export coordinate zone as well. Okay, it has been readed just like this. So your grading spaces, you can choose to adjust this depending on how accurate you want your DEM elevation to come out as. So I do recommend 0.5. Then for this elevation determination, if you click on this drop down, you'll see two methods: sample surface at grid point and average. I do recommend sample surface. This gives the software to interpolate at 0.5 spot grid to create your elevation model. That's more accurate. Then you can either use custom elevation or you just leave it as no. So you leave it as no. Alright, so these are the settings you have to do under your export surface to DEM. Do we get that? Then you can now click on OK. Automatically it will convert all your contour surface to DEM, and that's done. So you can just go to the folder where you have the exported elevation model. So I have it on my folder here, so you can see it here, EGDM. So you can go ahead to import into your GIS packages such as your ArcGIS Pro or your global mapper. In any case, any of your GIS packages, select and import. So guys, you can see this is the elevation model, and you can conduct other further analysis like drainage density, flow direction, and the rest of all those analysis from your elevation model. You can also import into your global mapper if you have your global mapper. So global mapper 2 is really beautiful software for GIS analysis. Click on open data files. Then you navigate to the folder where you have your elevation model. Have it here, you select and open. So automatically it's going to read the coordinate system. Then you click on OK. So here is the elevation model. You can actually see it in 3D if you want to. Click on the 3D, and there we go. So you can increase the exaggeration and reduce it depending on what you want. So that is how to convert contour to elevation model DEM using your Civil 3D directly. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.